We've already covered the first 3 of our 5 hacks for kick-butt product demos. We'll continue our journey by exploring hack number 4 on this edition of Quick Hits. What's up, hitters? This is Brandon Grieve with High Impact Technical Sales, enabling and inspiring you to crush it in technical sales. We're progressing to the end of our list of 5 hacks for kick-butt product demos, and the end is in sight. Before we tackle number 4, let me provide a reminder to check out the previous few videos in the series. I'll leave a link in the comments below. Also, please help us spread the word by smashing the like button below and leaving a comment. Let's get to it. Number 4. Keep it short and sweet. I believe there's a common yet unspoken misconception that a long demo is a good demo, but that couldn't be further from the truth. As we discussed in the previous 2 hacks, prospective customers neither have the time to hear nor can they remember everything we'd like to tell them. To that end, and in consideration for our fellow SEs who are waiting in line to use the demo environment, another best practice is to keep your demos short and sweet. I'm not suggesting that you shouldn't be thorough. You definitely want to address all your prospects' questions and concerns, but thorough doesn't necessarily mean long. You're better off covering fewer topics and leaving room for questions and interaction than trying to cover too many topics in one session. On the other hand, a demo probably isn't the best venue for getting into all the technical weeds either. The idea of the demo is to allow the prospect to get a feel for the basic operation of your product. A good demo is meant to accomplish the following: be a teaser to garner further interest. Create an appetite for more. Satisfy the customer's intellectual curiosity and make them feel comfortable with the solution. This can be done relatively quickly. I prefer 30 to 45 minutes, leaving plenty of time open for Q&A. More than an hour is really pushing it. If there are too many relevant topics to cover in that time, or if you know the customer would like to go deep into the weeds, there's a couple things you can do. First, who says that a demo has to be a one-and-done event? There's no reason why you can't split the demo into multiple, shorter sessions if necessary. Another idea is to schedule a workshop or tech day style event. These are generally multiple hours, most often 2 to 4 hours, but sometimes up to a full day. It really depends on how much needs to be covered. This type of event is more appropriate than a demo if the intent is to cover many topics or to go deep, especially if it's a hands-on lab. Regardless of how you choose to handle it, keep the demo short and sweet, yet relevant. Our goal is to move the sale forward. The demo is a great tool to help do that, but we don't have to boil the ocean. But what do you think? I'd love to hear your feedback. Leave a comment below and let's talk about it. Stay tuned for next week's video where we'll wrap up the list with the 5th and final of our 5 hacks for kick-butt product demos. Until then, be enabled, be inspired, and go crush it in technical sales.